Hello, in this video we learn Excel roadmap. How we learn Excel for the data analysis. So nowadays the data analysis is a very boom skill or job profile. So we start Excel. Why we do Excel? Because Excel is a small a small a small and speed work on the small data sets, and it is easy to understand and for everyone, and it is easily to shareable. So now we start from the Excel. So how we learn in Excel, how what is Excel and why what we have learned. So in Excel, which topic we need to cover and which not for data analysis. The second part is we where from we learn. So we just learn from where and where we do projects. And if I do project, so which type of project we do now. And the fourth one is we create a portfolio. And after portfolio, we have upload or your projects in any GitHub like GitHub to showcase. So now let's start syllabus. So first we discuss about the syllabus. So I have some syllabus link which is very details, or I just put the link and I just put the link in one file which I share in description. So these are all resources link which I have to share you, and you have practice according to these sheets. So first have there are two types of syllabus which I have collect from the internet. So one from the IM skills and the second one is PW skills. So there is a Excel key what you have learned to Microsoft Excel basic to advanced. So first is build text, formations, grids, what is sales, what is column row, then basic information all about in Excel. Then we have do data validation, concatenations, references, time series, and calculation form, conditional formatting, exam, exploring style, okay, which type of style we need to do in Excel for chart to look attractive, and we use pivot table to summarize or get some calculation or integration values, mean, average, aggregation functions we use in pivot tables. So we create pivot tables and group items formatting a pivot tables, because if you use a data analysis in any data, so first of all we create some summarizations, so techniques, aggregation functions like sum, average, addition, subtractions, this type. So we have not directly do in our Excel file, so we have do a pivot table, and in this table we create on sum or multiplications or all type of graphs in pivot table, and use this pivot table to create a dashboard. Okay, so we have create chart and resizing chart, okay, how chart defines and different parameters in chart how define, format the chart and copy paste, or how we can manage names, scope in this all the create tables in your Excel file, okay, how we convert, how we remove duplicates, and we can clean the data and unwanted data. So these are all, and approx 15 to 20 days or 25 days is covered if you are consistency follow. And second I have choose this because it is also mention some same thing, but they have some extra features just like else if condition, conditioning, formatting, and filtering and sorting you have choose, and simple charting non-adjacent cells, how we adjust our chart in Excel cell, and we have create all type of files, and we have resize, table, sorting, pivot, and these all are. So these are your all basic to advanced Excel syllabus. So these are syllabus. So from where we learn, so the best resource which I have follow, that is a tutorial points where you have all topics, and all topics we have also given you a exercise along with these topics, so you have better choose and learn these topics. And the second option is you can go with chat gpt or you can Google search, because these are your best friend, because when you have to choose chat gpt, if you stuck in some questions key how we can do this, because he do but why I, so that time the chat gpt helps you to answer these type of questions, because you have a self motivated person, you don't need any guide from any you have no money financial support, so that's why you choose this excel learn. So this your after that you have practicing from this. I have give you data sets and excel exercise for hands-on. Okay, if you want to, and you can also practice with your own data. If you download any data sets and you practice your own data from there. So these all are here. So now next, keep practicing. We have say there are 15 excel datasets which you choose to data analysis in excel file. And if you are practicing, you have some online excel the data line test, so you can for learning purpose you have choose this. If you want to main max that time, you choose this topic and just practice here because they have already datasets. Just you write your query and run it, that is all. And you can also practice one more platform, that is excel exercise. There are all topic mentioned there, and you can just practice according to topics. If you learn topic from the your syllabus and then practice in both, and you can practice offline in your excel files as well. So is it okay? Okay, now next we have go for the projects. So first we start project from the some YouTube, because in YouTube there are numbers of excel project for data analysis have mentioned. So I have choose one project for you from YouTube, that is excel full project for data analysis, and I'll give you the link of the project. You can go go along with the video and as well as doing your own on your hands with your project in your local system. So you can open your excel file and download the all projects related datasets and practice along with the video. That is a very basics to practice. And after that you have create your own portfolio projects, just like you can I give you a dataset link. You can choose one of them and datasets and the problem of the business, and you can analyze the data and you create a beautiful dashboard according to the requirement of the of the data sets. And then you can showcase and you can show also ki how you solve this business problem, ki what actually business problem you want to solve from this dashboard. So that's all. So I will give you all the related resource link in one notion file. And if you are yes, okay, if you want to practice, or you can just record yourself, so you can use your own notion because it is free, and you create just create new page and related documents and related links or whatever you want you can paste here and they have saved. And these are my all files. Just if I want to learn power bi and how I learn, so I will all resources there, fast api will also we will these all cover in next video. So I hope you understand how we learn excel, where we learn, where we practice, where we do projects. Okay, so I give you the link of these projects which you can use. So this is excel full project. You can download the datasets, and if you create your own project or portfolio, so there is some dataset links which I have used the myanalytics.io. There have some data which you can use for your own personal analysis in excel file. So this is a data playground where you can choose any type of data, or you have explore the data, so you can do on your own questions. Or they have also mentioned questions related to the problem or keyword they need in these data sets. So I hope you understand the questions problem and how to practice, how to master the excel. So thank you, we will meet again in next video. Bye.